Got my hobo stove going. I got the battery for my heated sweatshirt going. It's almost charged. And I don't want to show the floor. It's a little bit dirty. And I got a little heater here. And let's see if we can show you my... Ooh. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm actually plugged inside, or I'm plugged. I have electricity. I'm plugged into electricity, so I'm charging this battery right now, and that's the only reason I'm able to use this heater, because you can see the heater is using 1200 watts, 1199 watts, 1200 watts. And okay, what do you got there? And I got 62. That's my electric blanket. So right now it's telling me, I don't know if it's telling me it's going to take 99.9 hours to charge it, or if I got 99.9 hours left at this point. Whoa. But basically, I would not be able to run this heater if I did not have a place to plug in. And I only have a place to plug in because I am very lucky at the moment. Very lucky.